Idiomatic expressions. Clear the air in professional communication. Hello, dear viewers. In today's video, we will delve into an exciting topic from our Common Idioms in Professional Communication series, Clear the Air. This idiomatic expression is quite popular in academic and professional contexts, especially in relation to communication and negotiation. Firstly, it's essential to know what the idiom, clear the air, means. When we say we want to clear the air, we mean we want to remove doubts, misunderstanding, or tension from a discussion or relationship. It is usually used when there's been a conflict or disagreement, and there's a need to resolve the issue and restore a pleasant atmosphere. Let's break it down. Clear the air equals remove tension, confusion, or disagreement in a situation. Now, let's look at how to use clear the air in sentences. 1. After the argument, we had a frank discussion to clear the air. 2. I think we need to clear the air before we continue with the meeting. 3. If there are any misunderstandings, it's best to clear the air immediately. Remember, it's usually used when there's a need to resolve conflicts or misunderstandings. Idioms can sometimes have variations while keeping the core meaning. Here are some ways you might see clear the air used slightly differently. 1. Let's clear the air about the budget. 2. We had a meeting to clear the air on the project timeline. The meaning stays the same, but the expression is applied in different contexts. In professional communication, clearing the air is crucial. It encourages open and honest dialogue, fosters mutual understanding, and promotes a healthier, more collaborative environment. The ability to clear the air, when needed, is a valuable skill in negotiation and conflict resolution. And that's our quick lesson on the idiom, clear the air. Remember, idiomatic expressions like these can add depth to your language skills, especially in academic and professional contexts. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this idiom, its usage, and its significance in professional communication. Thanks for tuning in, and happy learning!